Yo, what is going on everybody? Shri Kanase here. So how I'm getting roughly 4 times ROAS with Facebook ads in 2021. Now for a lot of people, especially right now in 2021, such return on ad spend, especially with Facebook ads, is actually a very big deal. I know it is for me because within the past few months, it has been a pretty rough ride with Facebook. Hence one reason why I've been mostly focused on Google ads and why I've been putting out so much Google ads related content. But this video is going to be slightly different, jumping back to our old friend Facebook ads, going over exactly what kind of product it is, how I'm able to even do such results with Facebook, and giving you guys some tips and tricks on how you can achieve same results. But without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into it. The first thing you'll have to do in order to find any type of success or achieve 4 times ROAS with Facebook ads, however, is to destroy that like button until it turns blue. Make sure to subscribe if this is the first time you're watching this video. Hit that bell icon as well, just so you're notified every time I release a new video. But how I'm getting roughly 4 times ROAS with Facebook in 2021. Before we go over the Google Doc, let's head on over to our Facebook Ads Manager to go over all of the results that I'm currently getting. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the campaign section and change the time frame to this month. It was on April 14th because April 14th is the day when I officially started running ads for this winning product. And there's a variety of reasons why this was a winning product, which we'll be going over very shortly. But right now, as we can see, we have 2 campaigns running currently, with one campaign with 12 purchases, the second one with 7 purchases. Both are for the same product, just different variations. And if we see in total, we can see that roughly these 2 campaigns spent about $800 and a little bit more since April 14th, which is when I officially launched this product, and it has gotten me back over about $3,000. So this is real results right here, nothing cooked up, but these are both high ticket products. Now, one big misconception that I had regarding Facebook ads was high ticket could not work, and this product officially proved me wrong. Yes, I was wrong about this. I used to believe that high ticket could not really work that well with Facebook as it does with Google, simply because with Facebook, high ticket means that the customer would have to go through a longer process before actually purchasing something, and these 2 campaigns actually proved me wrong. Now, keep in mind, both of these are very, very profitable campaigns because this campaign right here has a profit margin of $100. So I can spend roughly $100 to get a sale, but as you can see, that is clearly not the case. I'm getting sales at $31 per sale, which is absolutely insane. Second campaign has a little bit of a lower profit margin at only about $50 per sale, but even then it's getting half of my desired profit range, which is again absolutely amazing. So now that we kind of covered over the results, let's go ahead and talk about the product, because without the right product, this would have really been not possible. This product actually is a very interesting product. I did not really find it like you would a normal Facebook advertised product. This product was actually a winning product for me on Google Ads. It was going really well with Google Ads, so I got the idea on about April 13th of running this ad on Facebook just to give it a try. And I didn't have too much of hope on this product simply because it is a high ticket product. And as you guys already know, I didn't really believe high ticket could work well with Facebook. So if we go back to the ads manager and now look at April 13th, we can see that this product was actually not getting run during that time period, but changed to April 14th, which is the first day when I launched this product. And as you guys can see, I had already spent roughly $91 on this campaign and gotten back just about 2 sales for a total ROAS of 3.77. So the ROAS wasn't really that high in the beginning, but it was still really, really good considering the fact that the profit margin is $100 per sale for this product. Then on April 15th, which is when the campaign really took off, we can see that the ROAS for both of these was well above 5 if you combine them together and take the average. The campaign up here was that for the $50 profit margin product, and we had a ROAS of 11, and the second one was the $100 profit margin product with a ROAS of 4.33. So absolutely amazing results with these 2 campaigns combined. Of course, the results weren't that high, meaning I wasn't really getting hundreds of sales on this product simply because of the strategy that I was using when launching this product, which I'll be going over very soon. But the reason why I have 2 different campaigns is because these 2 different variations are actually different in terms of sizing. So one is a bigger size and one is a smaller size. The smaller size gets sold at roughly $140. The bigger size gets sold at roughly $200. So the one with the $140 sale price has a profit margin of 50, while the other one has a profit margin of 100. So absolutely amazing profit margins. That means I can spend a lot more money than the average person who may want to sell this product. In addition, The beauty about this product is that this is actually sourced directly from eBay. It is a dropshipper, but a dropshipper with a US warehouse selling on eBay. So that is why I'm able to ship this product out very, very quickly with about 3 to 12 business day delivery time. Again, absolutely amazing results considering the fact that most of the dropshippers out there using Facebook ads have delivery times up to 15 to 30 business days. So this is again absolutely a benefit for me in this case. But in addition, with the specific niche that this product is in, it is a very useful product. It makes life easy and makes the job much faster within that niche, which is why I believe that this was a winning product for Facebook. Again, I wasn't really considering the fact that this was useful or anything when I added it to Google. If you want to know more about how to add the right products on Google, I have tons of videos on that, which you can check out on my channel. But just looking back, this is definitely a very, very useful product within that niche that this product is sold in. But that doesn't just end there, because along with the right product, you need to have the right product page. Here's exactly what I did right with this product page. Again, these things are actually very important for Google, but they definitely really help get me sales at the low cost per purchase, simply because these things can apply to just about any audience out there, regardless of which advertising platform they come from. The first thing is both of these products had over 30 reviews on my store. Of course, a lot of them were imported from AliExpress directly, but these reviews work really, really well. And one thing you want to do is make sure to import reviews with proper English. You just don't want to import a random review just to add a number to the review section because you don't have anything to choose from, because that is going to drop your sales even lower rather than increase it. In my case, these reviews were in proper English, and once I started getting more and more sales, once I knew this product was a winner, what I did is I went on Amazon and I found the same product in Amazon and used their reviews on my product page. I made a tutorial on this as well on my channel, which you can check out, where I directly import from Amazon or eBay. No, I don't use any apps to import. I just manually insert the reviews on the product page. But in addition, the descriptions and titles for this product were heavily search engine optimized, simply because I was selling this product on Google. But I definitely think that aspect helped with getting sales on Facebook at a cheaper rate, simply because my product page was very properly optimized with a very good description. It had images and so forth. And it's basically the same strategy which I show on my channel, which you guys can again check out. But in addition to that, I had a lot of high quality images. The main image was showcasing the product in use by a real person, and it was basically a real lifestyle image. That is exactly the same image that I used on Facebook for my ads. And you may be surprised to hear that it was an image ad that actually took off rather than a video ad, but more on that later. But this is exactly what I did right on my product pages. But of course, it doesn't end on the product pages, because then you have to make sure that your ads are on point. So exactly what did I do to even get a good chance of having this product sell and get a good profit from it? First things first, on the day that I launched this product, I launched only about 10 ad sets at around $10 per day. Again, nothing too crazy. Basically the same thing that I do as showcased in my videos on my channel. I don't really like to use CBOs in the beginning unless the product is a winning product. But there were 10 ad sets that were run within that specific niche related to the product. I tried to get as close as possible to the product itself, meaning if I was trying to, for example, sell a 3D printer, I would literally go in on Facebook and type in 3D printer and try to see if I can directly target that interest. In addition, per ad set, there were about 2 ad copies, 1 video ad and 1 image ad. And to my disbelief, the image ad was the one that actually took off. This goes against a lot of the popular advice out there by a lot of so-called Shopify gurus, would say that you need to have a video ad in 2021 to find success. I just proved that wrong with a $150 to $200 product. As you guys clearly saw with the ROAS, this product was absolutely crushing it with an image ad. And to showcase this even further, let's go ahead and go inside both of these campaigns, because both of these campaigns have some image ads and some video ads. One campaign only has image ads, but the other one for the $200 product had 1 image ad and 1 video ad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna now change the time frame to this month, just so that we can look at it overall to see how these 2 campaigns did with the ads themselves. So we're going to choose everything, and now we're going to go over to the purchases for the ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to rank it by the most purchases at the top and the least at the bottom. So as you guys see, all of these at the top, they're actually all image ads, and the only video ad that actually got me a sale was this one right here at $5. but as you can see, only one video ad compared to all of the rest, which are basically image ads. So this actually really blew my mind. I did not really think that image ads could have the power to perform this well, especially with a high ticket product, but in this case they did. And here is where I kind of got to the scaling phase. Now I haven't fully really started even scaling this product. I'm just basically testing the waters with different interests, because right now when I'm recording this video, it's a Sunday and I don't like launching new ad sets on the weekend, because in my experience, they haven't really performed the best on weekends. But here's what I would normally do with scaling, and I've already scheduled some ad sets and one CBO for scaling. If I have an ad set with over 3 purchases, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that within one CBO with 5 duplicates of that same winning ad set. So all you got to do is go inside your campaign, hit the checkbox on the left, and duplicate that 5 times within a brand new campaign. Once you do that, turn that into a CBO and run it at $100 a day. I like to schedule my campaigns at 12 a.m. midnight, whatever the pixel time zone is, but that is one way to scale in 2021 and onwards. The next way to scale is with horizontal scaling. Now, this is something I've covered a lot in my previous videos. If you want more scaling related videos, especially with Facebook, just go ahead and go on my channel. You can find a lot of them on my channel, but I normally like to create 4 to 5 duplicates of that winning ad set at $25 a day. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to see if any ad set gets me number 1, a sale, but if none of them get me sales, which ones are the ones that are hitting below my profit margins, meaning if my profit margin is $20, which one are below $20 and which one are over $20. Obviously, if any spends over $20 without a sale, I'm gonna kill it. But in addition, I want at least one add to cart by $10 to $15 spent. If I don't get that, then I'm just gonna shut off that ad set right away without even waiting for it to reach the cost per purchase for that desired product. But a very simple strategy for the ads, but this is exactly how I was able to achieve 4 times ROAS with Facebook ads. Of course, later on, once I fully end up scaling this product, I'll be making another video on the update. But if you're looking to get more help, especially with Google Ads, I do offer one-on-one Google Ads mentoring. You can message me on Instagram at DedicatedYoung, and I'll be sure to give you more info on that. But if you found any type of value in this video, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.